I'm going to share with you the most effective strategies for saving for investments today, so you can watch your money grow. Saving for investments is a crucial step in building wealth and achieving financial goals, as it allows you to grow your money over time and secure your financial future. Many people struggle to get started with saving for investments, often due to a lack of understanding or confusion about the best approach. Having a solid plan in place is essential to making progress and reaching your investment goals. Saving for investments requires discipline and patience, but the rewards can be significant. By starting to save early and consistently, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow exponentially over time. It's also important to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and what you want to achieve through investing, whether it's saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or another major purchase. This will help you stay focused and motivated to continue saving and investing over the long term. Investing can seem intimidating, especially for those who are new to it, but it doesn't have to be. With the right mindset and a solid plan, anyone can start saving for investments and achieving their financial goals. It's all about taking it one step at a time and being consistent in your approach. Saving for investments is a journey, and it's okay to start small and gradually build up your savings over time. The key is to get started and be patient, as the power of compound interest will do the rest. The importance of saving for investments cannot be overstated, as it provides a sense of security and freedom that comes with having a financial safety net. By saving for investments, you can reduce your stress and anxiety about money, and focus on living the life you want. You'll have the freedom to pursue your passions and interests, without worrying about how you'll pay for them. Saving for investments is an investment in yourself and your future, and it's an essential part of any financial plan. When it comes to saving for investments, there are many tools and platforms that can help. Budgeting apps like Mint and You Need a Budget can help you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. Investment accounts like Robinhood and Acorns provide an easy and affordable way to get started with investing. Financial literacy resources like The Balance and Investopedia can help you learn more about investing and make informed decisions. These tools can be a great resource for anyone looking to start saving for investments. Having the right tools and platforms in place can make a big difference in your ability to save for investments. With the help of budgeting apps, you can easily track your income and expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Investment accounts provide a convenient and low-cost way to invest in the stock market, and can help you get started with investing even if you don't have a lot of money. Financial literacy resources can help you learn more about investing and make informed decisions, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Budgeting apps can also help you automate your savings, by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. This way, you'll ensure that you're saving consistently, without having to think about it. Investment accounts can provide a range of investment options, from individual stocks to index funds and ETFs, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Financial literacy resources can provide valuable insights and tips, helping you stay on track and achieve your investment goals. In addition to budgeting apps, investment accounts, and financial literacy resources, there are many other tools and platforms that can help with saving for investments. Spreadsheets and budgeting templates can help you track your expenses and create a budget, while investment tracking software can help you monitor your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Online forums and communities can provide a wealth of information and support, helping you stay motivated and accountable as you work towards your investment goals. To start saving for investments, you need to set a budget and track your expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. You should also identify your investment goals, and determine how much you need to save each month to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. Choosing the right savings vehicle is also crucial, whether it's a high-yield savings account, a certificate of deposit, or an investment account. Setting a budget can be as simple as writing down your income and expenses, and subtracting your expenses from your income to see how much you have left over each month. You can then use this information to create a budget that allocates your money towards different categories, such as housing, food, and entertainment. It's also important to prioritize your needs over your wants, and make sure you're saving enough for the future. You should also consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. Identifying your investment goals is also crucial, as it will help you determine how much you need to save each month to achieve them. You should consider what you want to achieve through investing, whether it's saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or another major purchase. You should also consider your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your goals and risk level. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. Choosing the right savings vehicle is also important, as it can help you earn a higher return on your money and achieve your investment goals. A high-yield savings account can provide a safe and liquid place to park your money, while a certificate of deposit can provide a higher return in exchange for keeping your money locked up for a set period of time. An investment account can provide a range of investment options, from individual stocks to index funds and ETFs, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. When it comes to saving for investments, it's all about making progress and staying consistent. You don't have to have a lot of money to get started, and you can always adjust your budget and investment plan as needed. The key is to get started and be patient, as the power of compound interest will do the rest. You should also consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in a range of different asset classes and sectors. This will help you reduce your risk and increase your potential for long-term growth. As you start saving for investments, you should also consider your emergency fund and make sure you have enough money set aside to cover 3-6 months of living expenses. This will provide a cushion in case you lose your job or encounter unexpected expenses, and prevent you from having to dip into your investments to cover living expenses. You should also consider your debt, and make sure you're not paying too much in interest on your credit cards or loans. This will help you free up more money in your budget to save and invest. Saving for investments is a long-term process, and it requires discipline and patience. You should avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes, and instead focus on making steady progress towards your goals. You should also consider working with a financial advisor, who can provide personalized advice and help you create a customized investment plan. This will help you stay on track and achieve your investment goals, even if you're new to investing. In addition to setting a budget and tracking your expenses, you should also consider your income and see if there are any ways to increase it. This could involve asking for a raise at work, taking on a side hustle, or pursuing additional education or training. Increasing your income can provide more money in your budget to save and invest, and help you achieve your investment goals more quickly. You should also consider your expenses, and see if there are any ways to reduce them. This could involve cutting back on discretionary spending, negotiating a lower rate with service providers, or finding ways to save on everyday expenses. As you start saving for investments, you should also consider your investment options, and choose investments that align with your goals and risk level. You should consider your time horizon, and choose investments that have a high potential for long-term growth. You should also consider your risk tolerance, and choose investments that align with your comfort level. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. You should also consider the fees associated with your investments, and choose low-cost options whenever possible. This could involve investing in index funds or ETFs, which can provide broad diversification and low fees. You should also consider the tax implications of your investments, and choose tax-efficient options whenever possible. This could involve investing in tax-deferred accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, or choosing investments that have a low turnover rate. When it comes to saving for investments, it's all about making progress and staying consistent. You should avoid getting caught up in market volatility, and instead focus on your long-term goals. You should also consider your overall financial situation, and make sure you're not taking on too much risk. This will help you stay on track and achieve your investment goals, even if the market experiences ups and downs. As you start saving for investments, you should also consider your support system, and surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. This could involve working with a financial advisor, joining an investment club or community, or finding an accountability partner. Having a support system in place can help you stay motivated and accountable, and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. In addition to setting a budget and tracking your expenses, you should also consider your investment plan, and make sure it's aligned with your goals and risk level. You should consider your investment options, and choose investments that